is going on, my YouTube friends? Well, me and CobraKim's going to do something on her Shelby Mustang today. What are we going to put on your car, honey?
A JLT oil separator.
Yeah, buddy. So we're going to get that on there. I'm going to have to do it because she don't want to break her nails. Oh. All right, let's turn this around and see what we got going on. So this is where the oil separator goes here. So we're going to have to pop this off here, and then we will put that right there on there. So that'll go in place of that. So let me get this right here, and I'll let Kim hold. Actually, I should make her do it, don't you think?
I'll hold
I
the
probably
camera.
should. Oh, no, she's going to hold the camera. All right, let me bring you right back. Yeah, buddy.
Yep.
So we got to take this off right here. So pull that, pop that off right there. And we'll pop this right here back. I don't know if I can get my finger in there. It's kind of fat. There we go. And pull that straight off. So that comes right off. No problem. Now let's see if we can get this in there. It's too bad this didn't come in like the same color as this catch can here. So is what we're going to do. We're going to slide this here. Bring that right there and pop that on. Right there. It ain't sliding on too good, is it? And then this right here. That tank's kind of in the way. We'll go right here. Let me do something different here. Let me take this here and go under this. I think that'll work a little better. And then go right here. I don't think I'm liking the way this is fitting. Okay, that popped right on there. And then we'll take this right here, pop it right on there. That way that'll hang out right there. What do you think?
Looks good.
Look good to you?
Yep, looks good to me.
All right, let's see what we got here. So anyhow, we got this right here, which that kind of hits that cap right there a little bit. I don't care for, but we're all right. So this kind of just holds up right there. So she's on there good and sturdy. So hey, it's not squishing this. So that's right there still good. So I kind of like it sitting there. That way it's not rubbing against this. So it looks good. Looks good. I think we got it. So that was the JLT oil separator 3.0. Woohoo. So we got that on there. What do you think there, CobraKim?
I think it looks good.
Are you happy?
Yep. How often are we supposed to empty that catch can?
When you do oil changes and stuff.
Okay.
So we'll get her done. And she's got a while for an oil change because she just had it done. But yeah, look at that. 5.2 flat plane crank. Ooh, baby. GT350. So yeah, this is CobraKim's car. Yep, buddy. Let me get this turned around so we can finish. What do you think there, CobraKim?
I'm happy.
She's happy, I'm happy. Happy wife, happy life. Remember that, guys. So anyhow, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, man. You guys are awesome. And if anybody tells you any different, you tell me and CobraKim. We'll tell them that you're awesome. Have a great rest of your day.